Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the directional buttons of the Apple TV remote on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, so just tap on accessibility. Then you want to swipe down, go to the Apple TV remote, and here you can turn on the directional buttons. So now they're on and now they're off. So the directional buttons are that you're going to be able to use buttons on the Apple TV remote instead of swipe gestures. So if you just go and open the remote, let's just find the remote here. As you can see now, I do not have a TV connected, but now there are, as you can see, in a moment here there are buttons, as you could see for a moment. If you turn this feature off, there are not going to be any buttons right here. You're just going to have gestures, so up, down, and so this is it. So again, how to get to those settings: open the main settings, swipe down, go to the accessibility, then swipe down, go to the Apple TV remote. Once you're here, just turn on the directional buttons. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!